Flying unaccompanied, navigating the journey alone. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might come across when traveling or reading about travel. Flying unaccompanied. This phrase has a specific meaning and context in English, and understanding it can help you navigate conversations and situations related to travel. Let's dive in and unpack what it means to fly unaccompanied. Flying unaccompanied refers to the situation where an individual, usually a child or a minor, travels on an airplane without the presence of a guardian, parent, or responsible adult. This term can also apply to young adults or elderly passengers who might require assistance but are traveling alone. Airlines have specific policies and services designed to assist these passengers from the point of departure to their final destination, ensuring their safety and comfort throughout the journey. The most common group associated with flying unaccompanied are children aged between 5 to 17 years. Airlines have strict age limits and guidelines to determine who can fly alone and at what age they require special services. For very young travelers, airlines offer an unaccompanied minor service which includes escorting the child through the airport, helping with boarding, and supervising them during the flight. When a child flies unaccompanied, their guardian or parent must fill out a form detailing the child's information, the contact details of the person picking them up, and any special instructions. Airlines charge an additional fee for this service, covering the extra care and supervision required. Upon arrival, airline staff will escort the unaccompanied minor to the designated guardian, ensuring a safe handover. For those flying unaccompanied or sending a child on a journey alone, it's important to prepare thoroughly. This includes familiarizing the child with the travel process, ensuring they have all necessary documents, and packing essentials like snacks, entertainment, and contact information. Communication is key. Make sure the child knows how to reach their guardian or airline staff if they need help. Flying unaccompanied is a phrase that holds a lot of importance in the context of air travel, especially for the safety and well-being of minors and other individuals needing assistance. Understanding this term and the processes involved can make travel experiences smoother and less stressful for everyone involved. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and helps you or your loved ones on your next journey. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.